Manipur has recorded another spike in the number of COVID-19 positive cases. The state recorded 11 fresh cases today. The state COVID-19 dashboard shows 51 cases today. The active cases has jumped to 51. 4 have been recovered and discharged from different hospitals. Assam recorded 15 new COVID-19 positive cases today. With this, the total number of cases in the state has gone up to 798. Among the 15 fresh cases, 11 are from Kamrup Metro District, 3 are from Dibrugarh and 1 from Lakhimpur. 9 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 in Nagaland, taking the state's total tally of active cases to 18, according to media reports. However, there is no confirmation from the State Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnu Phom. The new cases include 6 from Dimapur and 3 from Kohima. Accordingly, there are now 12 active cases in Dimapur, 5 in Kohima and 1 in Tuensang. Meanwhile, Mizoram Chief Minister ZORAMTHANGA has said that his government is contemplating on the extension of lockdown beyond 31st May, according to media reports. The nationwide lockdown 4, imposed to break the chain of coronavirus, will end on 31st May. However, Mizoram Chief Minister said that the extension of lockdown is crucial in view of the present situation, as thousands of people are returning to the state from different parts of the country. A 70-year-old man allegedly stabbed his wife to death last evening at Saiton Litanpokpi, Ward No. 4 in Kumbi of Bishnupur district. The deceased was identified as Soibam Ongbi Pishakmacha Devi, aged 65 years, wife of Mani Singh of Saiton Litanpokpi, Ward No. 4. A team of MOREH police station rushed to the scene and apprehended Mani. A SHRAMIK special train has brought back 907 stranded Manipuris from Kerala today. The train left Trivandrum Central Railway Station on 23rd May last. It reached Ziribam Railway Station at around 5:10 am. This is the 16th train to have ferried back returnees to the state. The total number of novel coronavirus cases in India climbed to 158,333 this morning after a spike of more than 6,500 cases in the last 24 hours. According to the Union Ministry of Health, as many as 19 COVID-19 patients died in the last 24 hours, which took the death toll to 4,531. 10 migrant workers from West Bengal left MOREH in Technopal district today. Joint Secretary of Manipur Home Department issued transit movement pass to them. Upon reaching Imphal, they will join another 21 migrant workers and will leave Imphal for West Bengal. Assam is reeling under heavy floods as incessant rains continue to lash the states. The floods have affected around 2 lakh people in 229 villages of 7 districts, including Hojai, Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, Mijuli, Darang, Nalbari, Golpara, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia. Close to 9,000 people have been taking shelter in 35 relief camps set up in Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, Golpara and Tinsukia districts. Floodwaters have caused widespread damage to crops. Security forces in Jammu and Kashmir averted a major incident of the vehicle-borne improvised explosive device IED blast in Pulwama this morning after an explosive-laden vehicle was intercepted in the district. According to media reports, joint team of Jammu and Kashmir Police, the Army and the CRPF swung into action last night following an input that a terrorist was moving with an explosive-laden car in Pulwama district ready to blast at a location.